Hi, I'm Nick, the product owner of Data Protection and Security Toolkit here at Actonic. I want to discuss the announcer module for Confluence Cloud. So to configure our announcements, we can go to the home page of our application and click Configure Announcements. The first page we see is the dashboard of our announcer module, where we can see all the templates we have recently created, their status, and the additional actions we can apply to these templates, which can be edit, clear statistics, or delete. If we want to create a new announcement, we can go and click on this create button, or we can go and click on the create from a template. Right now we have only one template, which is privacy policy, but in the future we'll be adding more and more. So let's click on the create from template and the privacy policy, and I will guide you through the steps of the configuration. The first step is the general configuration, and in the general configuration, as the first option, we have if this announcement should be enabled or disabled. If it's checked and the template is saved, it means that this announcement will be active as soon as it is saved, and everyone will be able to interact with it. The next is to choose the type of the announcement. It can be optional or required. In case of optional announcements, we can say that this announcement can be accepted or declined, but if it's set to required, it means that this announcement can only be accepted, and the access to the specific content will be blocked before the user will accept the announcement. So right now let's leave it as optional. The next is the naming of the template, which is for internal use, and it will be displayed on the dashboard as it is. And the next one is the title, and after the title comes the main text. So these two attributes will be shown to the user. So the title and the main text of the announcement will be shown to the end user, and we can navigate and we can see what is written as our template, and of course you should change it before actually using it for your system. The next step is additional configuration. In the additional configuration, we can see which Confluence groups will be able to interact with these notifications. It can be administrators, Confluence guests, anything there is. Also, we can choose to show notifications for specific spaces or leave it as empty. It means that everyone will be able to see it in every single space there is. The next one is to choose the window size. It can be small, it can be medium, large, or extra large, depends on the screen size, of course. And the next one is to configure the text for accept and text for decline. So right now it is written as accept and it is written also as decline. So we can save our announcement, and you can see actually on the dashboard how it looks like, and it is enabled. And of course we have a privacy policy, it is enabled, and we can apply additional actions. We also have the statistics page of our announcements, where you can see all the statistics there is based on the specific user, maybe the announcement template, or based from the date range. So for example, I have chosen the privacy policy update announcement, and I can see that this template was accepted by me in this case on this date, and the result was accepted, or it can be declined based on my preferences. And I can also filter the responses with dates, date from and date to. So this is it for our announcer module for the cloud version of Confluence, and thank you for your time.